Alright. Are we going? Oh, yep. Alright. We're going. Are we going? This is surreal. Oh, yep. Am I watching myself watch myself? We're going. But what? Are we going? But this is surreal. Oh, yep. Am I watching myself watch myself? We're going. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna not. Wonder if I'll get any viewers on this. Oh, my beautiful thumbnail. Ignore that. Crap, my brain's not working right now. This is the first time I've ever streamed. I have no idea if it sounds good. I don't think there's anybody watching, so I'm talking to myself. It's amazing. I need the Discord. Yeah. I love watching myself stream. I need my link so I can send it in my Discord. I don't have a stream ping. If I just I'm lying. Oh. Okay. You guys can watch me be horrible at game development now. Aren't you so excited? This is about to be beautiful. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe it was a bad idea to stream randomly for no apparent reason. But you know, you only live once. Okay. Game development. Right now, I'm trying to set up like a character base for my game. Sorry, I'm just checking my stream stuff. I'm trying to make sure this is all working. I don't know how long I'll stream for, probably maybe like an hour. And I don't know how long I'll stream Animal Hospital, because I wouldn't be surprised if I inexplicably decided to play. Oh, Prototype's here. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Maybe it's a bad idea to ping Discord. Nah. You just saw Taco Steve. What? You can ignore Prototype. Actually, he doesn't. He. You know. I'm just not. I'm not gonna comment. Okay, so Loki right now. I think I had this system kind of working. It's a really crappy item system. Yeah, you can pick up items now. I'm so good at game development. Okay, Prototype. Wow, this is a stream for the ages. Now, how do I figure out how to like save this as an interaction? I'm bad at coding. Bro stole my item. Good. No, I didn't. I did actually. Originally, I did. Where is it? I did go into GitHub, and I did just steal this code, and then I was like, oh wait, this code doesn't work because I don't know what it means. So I took like 2 lines of it, namely like finding the null thing, because I am so bad at arrays. Like I've just started learning arrays, so I decided to like try and make it on my own. So it's a, I mean, it is somewhat similar, but like the item system as a whole is different because I'm using resources and things like that to make it more modular generally. But I mean, the thing is, the way you went about opening inventory slots kind of works, but I don't know if that will work for my game specifically, where it's like the item slot plus string plus one. Because I don't really understand how this works. It's confusing me, so I'm just gonna try. You're getting sued for using Delver Engine code, it's not a Delver Engine code actually. It's tutorial code, so it's not exactly the same. I'm just built different. Wow. I have 4 concurrent viewers. I'm famous now, guys. Yeah, it's me, Flameworks Sanat. Yeah, that's me. Wow, this is so awkward. I'm just talking to myself. I'm only streaming right now because I'm home alone, so it's not that awkward. But like, I think my brother gets home in like an hour, so then I'm just gonna not stream. Anyway, I need to actually code this. I don't want to be pirate software too. I should actually be editing right now. I just finished recording a video about freaking Mr. X from Resident Evil 2 because he's actually like a peak uh horror game like character in terms of game design. But like I'm too lazy. What employees do you have to hate? Oh wait. You said Quell, never mind. I'm just gonna I've done so much coding. Look at all this coding, guys. Oh crap. I didn't do that. Shh. I'm professional. Okay, I mean I guess I could, it's already in the list. I just need it. I'm basically recreating the Roblox item system, but instead you only have 3 items, so you'll just be able to scroll through them. So, probably just do something inefficient with if statements because I'm not smart enough to do anything else. Equals 0, I guess. No, wait, that should be null. Oh, never mind, I can't do that. I didn't realize. So now let's create my inefficient input code. I don't know the difference between unhandled input, but literally every tutorial I ever used to figure out cameras just used an unhandled input, so I just also did that, you know? Input action just pressed. Oh yeah, I already have these. There we go. This is some horribly inefficient code. My mic is quiet. This is like, dang it. Let me. What? What do you mean, bruh? Is my code just that terrible? You don't have to put input.isAction stuff inside input, right? Yeah, I know. You can put input.is action just pressed in process as well. I'm just doing this for the sake of ordering stuff. Oh, I forgot my second equal sign. I'm so good at this. Make the game faster. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. I need to... Where... properties. Microphone, let me make you louder. Nope, I just muted it instead. That was not my intent. I have no idea how to change this because this is my max. Wait. Yeah. I don't care. Let me, there we go. Okay. Now, I'm probably louder. Maybe too loud now, I don't know. Make the game slower, actually. Okay, yeah, I'll do that. Well, the problem is, I don't exactly know how I want the game to be designed yet. Like, I have a vague idea of it, but I'm kind of just coding the basic systems right now. Okay, I think my audio sounds fine now. I just checked it on my phone. There we go. I'm good, I think. Now I've just gotta copy this 3 times. Absolutely more efficient ways to do this, but I don't know. It's still a bit too quiet. Okay. I'll just do 80 to be on the safe side. Might work. Okay, selected sliding. Wait, no. 3. Okay. You use Edge? Yeah, I'm too lazy to, like, switch it, so basically ever since I've got my PC, I've just had Microsoft Edge installed. Okay, this should work, but I mean... Okay, now it's decently good. Alright. Guess I could just... Trying to think of how I do this. I feel like it needs to be all in one if statement. I mean, there's... Prototype did this, where it was item slot plus string I plus 1, but that doesn't work because I'm not in the inventory doesn't take place in a freaking loop. Because that doesn't... I don't think that works with the structure of this game. Because those items in that game are like Dandy's World items, so you don't hold them out. In this one, you're actually going to hold them down based on which one's selected. I guess I could just put in like a selection function. Select... slot... No, wait, yeah, that would be... I think slot and then slot number. Which would... I could just put all of this... And then that would make it a lot easier. Okay. Oh yeah, it's on the lower end of the yellow most of the time, unless I'm a little louder. Okay, yeah, and then that's... Oh. Wait, I just realized this is not the way I... Sometimes I forget the way I case certain variables. Okay, I can't spell, actually. That's better. 3... Wait, no, it's... Slot is... I guess I just have to call reference to all 3 of these, because... Wait, no. I could just do... Inventory box, get child, 0, I'm pretty sure, because it's an array as well. 0, 1, and 2. Yep, no, okay, 1, 2. Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, I think that should work now. I mean, I've got to put the other code in there, but... And then... Wait, how do it... Dang it, I just realized this doesn't account for when you deselect. Ah, why is coding like this? Always like 87 different edge cases that you have to figure out to solve anything. I just realized that my settings tab has been open this entire time, or I don't know how long, but couldn't really tell because my mic was blocking it. I should have a better setup soon because I'm like, my birthday's in a couple months and I'm getting new mic equipment. Like right now it's just sitting on a basic stand, but it'll have an arm and I'll have a pop filter and I'll move where my PC is, so I'll be able to more consistently stream in the future probably. Or hopefully at least. Slot number, okay. Yeah, inventory systems are rough. Dot. Just need like... trying to think of how to do this. I mean... I guess for... This is a... an inventory box. Patron... Just gonna pass that for now, but I'm literally just gonna go in and have each slot reset to its base state, just for the sake of oh my gosh, my brain just blanks out. I'm not very good at this stream. Oh yeah, the music. I forgot about music. I don't know how to do that. I mean, well, I guess I just play it in the desktop. Copyright free music. There. I'll just... Oh, no, that's not... I don't think that's very good. I just looked up the Deltarune Chapter 5 soundtrack and immediately... I forget 1 is just the opening freaking thing. Deltarune... okay. I don't... Yeah, I just found this random playlist. I'm gonna use it. I don't know how loud this is. That's the problem. Wait, I can't see chat anymore. Let me... I low-key just have to, like, look at stream on my phone so I can... Oh, it's a little loud, it sounds like. There we go. Wait, I can edit sound from OBS. Okay, let's see. I don't know how terribly loud that got. Sorry, I keep forgetting that I'm like streaming because I'm checking. Oh, this is kind of weird. It's pretty quiet now. There we go. Now I can do things. I mean, I hope this is supposed to just be pretty quiet. Inventory box, children, yeah. If inventory, if hitboxes are pretty simple. I mean, you literally just do something with area 3D, and then I'm gonna show you. Do something like for I in area dot. No, I'm trying to. My brain. Get overlapping areas, and then if I is item or enemy or whatever, then I dot and in. Oh, wait. Direct, I guess. Then, like, you could have I do some function to interact. Like, this is just a horrible example of my bad coding, but, like, that works if you want to do it with just straight areas. You can also do the same thing with bodies, because you can get overlapping bodies. Or you can also just use a raycast, which gives you both, but doesn't have that, like, whole wide area range type of thing. Okay, wait, I need to delete this script now. This is, okay, so technically what I'm coding right now is gonna be, like, it's a character controller I'm gonna use in all my games, but I'm also just gonna make it a public GitHub repo so anybody can download it. That's why I'm trying to set it up, like, relatively easy to play around with. Though, the item system might be questionable. But, I mean, hopefully it'll at least work. I'm trying to remember what I'm... If I... Oh, right. If I equals slot... Then... Wait, can I... It's scale, not size. Can I... Am I able to assign this to like a specific texture vect, right? Oh, I can do that. If I slot... What is it right now? That's 200. Let's just do 250. I'm just using this as like a simple... And then this will easily reset everything else to 0. And selected equal slot number. Okay, I think this might work. I have no idea. Yeah, that was not supposed to happen. What? They just disappeared. Oh. I didn't set their scale to 0. We can... Yeah, we can actually ignore that, you know? What? The... Oh, wait, no, it is size, not scale. I was right. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3. Why does it only work sometimes? Give me a second. My brother's calling me. Let me like leave for 5 seconds. Yes, I did go live. Alright, I'm back. You guys can ignore my extremely squeaky chair, okay? Okay, so it like kind of works. But why does 3 only work sometimes? Like, first it deselects and then it... This is a conundrum. This is... Coding always breaks my brain. If I is... I guess... selected slot equals 0 unless selected slot equals slot number, so it equals... I guess I could just do that, right? And then it's all in a 1 for loop. That's easy. Oh, now it doesn't work at all. Wow. I love coding. This is my favorite thing. Inventory box, like it, yeah, and then it sets the size to 200, and then if the I is the same as slot, which it should be, maybe 1, 2, and 3. I mean, that doesn't make sense because isn't the index start with 0? Yeah, I was right. Because then 3 is out of bounds. Yep. This is a conundrum. I've got to put a stream ping in my Discord so I don't have to ping everyone. Huh. I mean... Yeah, this is getting the first child, the second, and then if I is equal to slot. Like, if it's the same thing, which, I mean, it should be if you click... If you were to click 1, because it sends... Huh. And slot number is also 1. Try turning it back. Okay, yeah, that's how all coding works, actually. Just gotta turn it off and on again. You're so smart. Oh, I should probably just, at the end of this, print selected slot. Let's see. Let's see what actually is going on in the back end. Okay, so it's always 0 because selected slot. What? Selected slot is slot number if you go to 3. Oh my gosh. I am the stupidest person ever. Because selected slot is set to 0. That's not... my brain. The Roblox Studio camera movement. Oh, you're using Roblox Studio. Then my little lesson on how to do hitboxes didn't really matter. Well, I used to use parts, but parts didn't really work very well. I think it was like bounding boxes or something. Let me see if I can find them. Bounding boxes, Roblox. I think it was that. It's like basically an invisible part. I don't know. I don't know how to do it anymore because it's been forever. I haven't touched Roblox Studio in like a solid year, so I'm not quite sure what to do there. But you can also use raycasts. You just have to use a crap ton of them. It just depends on what you need. Like, a part is the simplest one because you can just get part not touched. But the thing about that is it's inconsistent. So if you're making like a fighting game that's not running client side, so not single player, something like a Battlegrounds, it is a horrible idea. What's up? Oh yeah, I need to make you a mod. There we go. You're a mod now. So let's go. I'm doing the gaming developering. Okay. I think it's gonna work now. Wait, no, but if... Wait, no, that's... I know what's going on. You pressed forward button on a different stream and found this? It's great. This is my first ever stream, so it's a... something. So selected slot isn't supposed to be a slot number, and so just add a not. Then... selected slot equals slot number. If selected slot does equal slot number, then 200. What? Oh, there's p2 equals. I think this is probably not going to work because I'm horrible at coding, but like... Oh my gosh, it's working! It just quit working! It works once, but then you try and press 1 multiple times. If you see in my output, it's pressing 1 multiple times, but it's not. The Walton file. I think I was on the 4th Walton files. I didn't get around to finishing it. I watched like a minute of it. So I barely got around to starting it. Okay, my brother's gonna be home in like 5 minutes. He's gonna think I'm talking to invisible people because I am. It was almost working. That's the worst part. Genuinely so unsatisfying. Okay. Equals 0. This has to work efficiently. Okay, selected slot equals slot number. Selected slot is the slot number. And I still has to be slot, so you're not real. Yeah. I'm confused, like, what we call it, because this works, and then I try and press it again after closing it. So it's an issue that happens after you deselect the slot. So when selected slot equals slot number, it can only be small. Right, because selected slot is now slot number, which means that this should be playing, but then this... This is a conundrum. It's a conundrum of absurd proportions. This doesn't make any sense. Shouldn't it be working? Like... Huh. Like, I don't get it. Why would it not? Like, this doesn't make any sense. It's like, obviously it's has something to do with the fact that it's a for loop, so it's kind of tweaking out. Maybe, wait, if I just break, does that fix it? Or does that break it more?
Where's that plate?
Okay, that actively does nothing except make it slightly worse. Maybe if I break here. Yeah. I mean, you can try Animal Hospital. It's fine. It's not like a horrible game. It's just mediocre. Oh, what's up? I didn't realize you were here. You're here for the music? Yeah, it's Deltarune music. Deltarune's Pete. Okay, yeah, it's still not working. What? Why does it not deselect everything else? Oh, because I'm breaking. Yeah, I can't break either. That just resets everything too. But that makes it worse. Because it is swapping correctly. Because they're getting bigger. The problem is just when the number gets big and shrinks again, it doesn't work until you select something else again. What am I trying to do right now? This is like the inventory select system, so might be slightly unclear. I don't know how much clarity there is, but I just make it slightly bigger when I click 1, 2, and 3. The problem is it works here. You can select each one and then you can deselect, but then if you look down in like the corner where the numbers are, I'll just put my wait. I can't put my mouse there. Right here, and I click 1 again. There's still one keeps going in the output, so that's clearly what's supposed to do. But the thing's not getting bigger for a second time. That's the problem. So it's not actually visually getting selected, which is a problem. That's what I'm trying to figure out right now. What's my game about? So it's like Animal Hospital, but evil. Basically, you play as an undercover cop infiltrating a cult, and your entire goal is to basically, you're the guard person, so you're allowing people in and out. But the thing is, you're basically trying to balance not being too suspicious with the cult, but also not being too suspicious with the police, because you can get endings by either siding with either team, basically. So it's kind of like a balancing act that'll add a lot more mechanical depth to the game. Everything's always evil. That's why. Okay. If statements, the bane of my existence. I have to decipher what I'm supposed to do here. Okay, so if I is equal to slot and selected slot is not the same as the slot I give in, so then it will give me the slot number. Yes, that's correct. That just changes the slot and makes it big. Animal Hospital is a Roblox game. It's literally just this game where you basically have to fight off, or not fight off. You have to stop these. No, this is not Roblox. Animal Hospital is Roblox. This is Godot. Ew, Roblox. Roblox Studio looks completely different. I wonder if I have it downloaded. No, I don't. I'm not reinstalling that just for 5-second demonstration. I'm too lazy. But, so clearly something's going wrong here. The thing is, I mean, I know what's going wrong because selected slot is now slot number. Wait, shouldn't selected slot be 0? Yeah, it should. That's the problem, isn't it? I'm probably tweaking. What is going on? Yeah, it's entertaining until you get to like shift 5. Literally, like I could not get past shift 5 every time I played before making that video, and I was like, oh my gosh, like it wasn't over skills because I kept quitting the game because it took so long to get there too. It took like 40 minutes for me, but I also was playing pretty slow. At least on my most recent run, which is the one I recorded for the video. I don't get it. Because when I set it to... It has to be set to 0 and then break. That might be it, because the problem is when it's set to 0, it'll cycle through this again, and then selected slot will be set slot number, it'll grow again. I did not mean to delete that. So it should just have to break here. No, because when it breaks, it doesn't want to work anymore. And 2 can be at the same time. So breaking is not the solution either. Huh. I genuinely have no idea what the problem is here. It doesn't make any sense. Because clearly the, like, selected slot is breaking. It just doesn't want to grow anymore. This is a conundrum. And I can't... This is the worst part about coding, because I know for a fact I am going to figure out that it's like a single line of code in like 3 hours. And then I'm going to be like, ugh. That's always the best worst feeling. Because, I mean, obviously, I've solved it at that point. But at what cost? Okay, texture inventory biostack get children. The I is slot. And the currently selected slot is not the same. I'm gonna change this to input because I'm keep reading slot number and it's throwing me off. Oh, nope. So, slot input. Yeah, okay. I'm just making this more organized. I was just using I as a placeholder. This makes it probably easier to read. Wait, no, new slot isn't the word either. I don't know. Like, I mean, current. Oh, what's up, Oracle? Yes, a new slot, I assume. Like I said, it sets it to 200, which will set all of them to 200, which is what I want, of course, because resets all of them. And if new slot equals slot reference and your currently selected slot is not the same as the one you're inputting, then yeah, you're set to 250, and then your currently selected slot is now your input, which, I mean, I feel like that's kind of, I mean, that's supposed to be it. But the problem is that then means I'll just print grow. Shrink. and see what's running. Grow shrink 0. Yeah. So it's growing, and then it's shrinking right after, which is not supposed to happen. So this has to break. That's the only way. Do they both have to break then? The thing is, it's just ignoring the code. If it's not selected, it should just automatically. I mean, if I wanted to, I could just simplify it down so that you're always carrying an item, but I feel like that would be kind of annoying. So that would literally just mean the inventory is yet to be fixed. This is not one of it. Okay. I just deleted that entire second function. No, it's still 3. So it's when it's pressed a second time, because selected slot is slot input. Wait. Wait, no, it's not. So if that's separate, then the slot will change to 200. Okay. Okay, bro. I'm, you know. Okay. That is certainly something. This at least kind of works. It's kind of hard to tell because of the slots being shaped like that. But I just wanted them like that so the system. Okay, there shouldn't be any issues where multiple are actively selected, so that should be fine, but so yeah, if it's not being referenced. But I like it. There has to be some thing I'm missing to allow entire deselection of all items. I could do a button for it easily, but that feels annoying. Wait, no, that doesn't make sense. I know, I guess this would have shrink too. What? It's working now. Huh? Oh, it works now. What did I do? Like, isn't this the same thing I had earlier? I mean, it's working, so that's a good thing, but I swear this is like the exact same code I was using earlier. I just added this as a separate thing instead of setting them all to small first. Okay, that is finally done. But now, where's under camera? Marker. This will just be the point where you actually hold the item from, since, I mean, the item needs to be held. Let's camera preview. Wait, can I even see the marker in the camera preview? Wait, no, I'm moving the camera. That's the wrong thing. Oh no, I actually can't. That's not good. Let's just... Orb. Okay. Now I can figure out... I don't know if I just set it to the left hand or right hand. I'll probably just put that as a setting. Alright. You leaving Bones Games? See ya. Okay, that is that. I need a real quick check. Inventory storage. Is that like testing? Okay, that is working. It's literally the item's just in inventory invisible. Let's undo this double screen. That was a painful system to code. I did not like that at all. I should probably have like a mouse wheel scrolling thing, but no, I'm actually not gonna do that because I don't even know. That actually sounds painful. I mean, I guess that wouldn't be too bad, but I don't really want to right now. So now, like, do you think animal... I mean, animal... The thing about animal hospitals that... How many players have? Roblox. Life is Roblox. Animal hospital... That's 200,000 concurrent players. That's better than Dandy's World was doing, but also... Animal hospitals... Stats. I don't know. Yeah, it was getting near a million, which... I mean, stuff like Grow Garden was doing better, but like Dandy's World... Actually, wait. Dandy's World stats. Let me check that. I doubt it. Oh, nope. The wrong stats. Stop giving me the stupid AI overview. Dandy's World player count. Stats. There we go. I don't know if any of this stuff is accurate. I'm just like... Nope. Okay. Forcing me to make an account. Oh, well, I guess it did hit 300 in the past 90 days, but... Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. It's not, I mean, it's just not that good. And compared to Dangerous World, Dangerous World's a very marketable game. Animal Hospital's models are ugly. They're trying to revamp them to make them more marketable, but like, they're just not that good, so I'm not sure. Yep, the entire Dangerous World Panda moved to it. I'm not exactly sure it'll survive off of that fandom. It's already an extremely toxic one at that. Okay, full point, grab, item point. Just trying to think of a good name so I remember. Item point, marker. I just have it all set to references because that'll allow people to easily change names in there. Thing, since this will be like a public thing. I don't know. Too all was here when I was saying that. Yeah. All right. Oh, no concurrent viewers. Everyone disappeared. Okay. What? Item point. Animal Hospital characters remind you of Pikmin. Why does there's no concurrent viewers when you're actively typing? They do kind of remind me of Pikmin, but they're nowhere near as good, that's for sure. Actually, I kind of like Pikmin. At least from the design, like their designs, I don't know anything about the games really. I know they're vaguely RTS-esque. That's a tongue twister. I forgot what I was doing. Right, item point. So now I've got to get inventory. Selected slot dot. Dot model dot global equals item point dot global position. That should wait. For new model and I don't need. Yeah. Wait, what did I turn invisible? Was it just the model? Wait, did I not make it? Wait, no, maybe it was in the item. Yeah, I turned it visible. There's a difference between, wait. There's 3 more people watching. I don't know why, but my OBS says there's 0 concurrent viewers. That's weird. It was saying there's more earlier. I mean, I guess I could probably see on YouTube itself. Yeah, so there's a couple people watching. Okay, I need to figure out... Is an inventory. And not is held, but is an inventory. Yeah. I'm probably missing something. Oh, yep. Nil? Oh, yeah. if. God, I almost forgot that. Hope your games land more and creepier model. Yeah, it should. I mean, the like the cultist enemies, they're gonna be designed off of my Sona, the one I use in my videos. I mean, this profile picture even, it's in that style. They all have like the yellow eyes and stuff because it's gonna tie into the lore of a. Well, I'm trying to see if I can make like an analog horror because that would be fun. But yeah, it'll be tied in that lore. Anyway, this should work now. Oh, selected slot -1. No, selected slot plus. No, wait. Selected slot is 1 through 3, yeah. And inventory slots are 3, and it starts at I'll just try -1. Yeah, that works. Model. Oh, selected slot -1. Got it. Let's fix that. Oh, it doesn't disappear. Forgot to do that. Okay, that should, false. Okay, that, and inventory storage. There we go. This should work now, I think. Why is it not deselecting itself? Hey, buddy. Try to Pikmin as a pet. Which one would I pick? That Bulborb or whatever. Bulborb pick. Yeah, this weird little this thing. I like him. I don't have that much experience with actual Pikmin, but I used to play the what was it, Nintendo Land? Yeah, Nintendo Land minigame. I should replay it. My character for my canceled game / stuff. It's not a self-insert. The character, I use the character as like a it's kind of like what Postra does, where it's like an OC, but it is not representative of me. Like, I don't want to spoil his new lore, but it is not. It's literally just there for like, I just like its design, so I use it as my character and stuff. Okay, my brain. I have to repair visible equals false. If inventory is selected slot -1. Oh, that's the problem. There we go. There we go. Yep. Needs to be the same global base, isn't it? Global basis. Because that's the... think so. Nope, that is not it. Let's just, is it the entire transform? Is that it? Can you add knee surgery to the game? What? Okay, so the transform. Wait, is it? Oh, there's a global transform. I forgot about that. Yeah. Please work now. Okay, now it's always in the same position at least. Knee surgery tomorrow. This is such an old meme. Holy crap! I heard that in like years now. Which is wild. Probably like a year, but it feels like it was freaking decade ago. Okay. This is a little better. I should probably move this to the opposite side. Or I can move the hand. I'll probably add like toggles though. Because I'm sure not everyone's going to be a left-handed character. I'm just actually left-handed, so I immediately think about it. There we go. Movement works. I can turn off debug. Wait, I just realized this means I'm close to actually being able to start working on the game itself. Got selectable items. Inventory system. I got this stair system I set up. I tried using a tutorial, but for some reason, the tutorial wanted me to use like 8 billion different raycasts to like detect how big the stairs are. But like, instead of doing that, you could literally just do, instead of visually having like, if touching the top ray and not touching the bottom ray, do it, you could just put as a number like I did. Like, the overcomplication of the process was wild. I save so much when I'm coding. It's kind of wild. Like, I swear every change I make, I just save. I mean, I assume that's good practice, but I don't know if that puts any strain on anything. What now? Well, I mean, I guess I gotta make sure items like are interactable, because some of them are. So I should probably do that. What I should actually probably do is add like an item name, maybe? Alright. Item... Wait, there is an item name. Item description. Description... And then I could set it up like Roblox items. And make it appear over the items. Wait, why can I not just resource add? Oh, I forgot I named it better than bread. Because key tastes better than bread. Key. There we go. And bread. I'll also have to like create actual inventory slots in ASPART and stuff like that. Door. Wait, yeah, it's probably what I should do. Since this is still technically the... Sorry, I lost my train of thought. Item interactable. This is technically still supposed to be like the character base that other people will be able to use for their own projects, so before transitioning this into the Animal Hospital game, I should probably put together an item interactable, which is like a door or something. I've made a similar system before, where essentially you can interact with the door, and if you have the item, which I'll assign over here, then it works. Yeah. Inherits area 3D, yeah, default, okay. needed item, I guess. No, there's a better word. What? We can ignore the fact that I have thesaurus.com up here. I let me find the synonyms for needed. Ooh, key item. Yeah, that works. What was it? It's the what classes? It's just the item class. Okay, yeah, because item resource is the other one. Is this game gonna be hype moments in aura? There's gonna be so many hype moments of aura. Hype moments in aura. Yeah. That works. I mean, I need to make it actually do something. But I forgot to set up the secondary interaction system in the player. Oh yeah, I need to have this. Let's just need a second function. Because I don't have... I need a base interactable class that I completely forgot to create. Interactables? Or just interactable? Shouldn't this extend version object 3D? Yeah. So I can just work with any. Okay, yeah. I'm trying to think of how I go about this. So start just jamming out to peak music now. Raise Up Your Bat is top 10 Deltarune songs. Sometimes I forget it's a chapter 3 song because like I like chapter 3 but the music is kind of weak, I'm not gonna lie. At least 4 and 5 go hard. And TV time obviously exists as well.
For what?
Wait, I guess this could extend interactable as well, right? Because it's being used in... Yeah. I'm trying to think... Yeah, I guess every interactable just kind of needs its own thing. Yeah. I'm trying to figure out what I need to do next. Because I'm just trying to get this all working relatively well. Alright, so it's... If collider is interactable and... Just... Nope. Just press. Interact. I almost forgot. Oh. It would seem Funhouse has an update. Give me. Ah. Oh, it's just maps. Might need to do a new video on it at some point, but I don't know. It's gonna... What? Why did I just type that? That was not on purpose. My brain. we go. I'm just creating a cooldown system. I should put this all under. That'll work a little better, I think. And item. What was it? Oh, it's interact. Cooldown. It's false. Then after. It's always strange that you kind of have to do all this stuff to create a short timer. I assume there's a way to make it easier, but like put in a function or something you could reuse. Okay, yeah. That is a very simple but working system. Better than nothing, at least. That's for sure. Wait. If is interactable, collider dot. Ooh. What's my collider doing? Interact. It's literally all. And then item interactable. Then I just need the key item. I can't add any. It's unfortunate. Does this need to be a separate thing? Just I'll keep it a separate thing for now because I don't really know what I'm doing. Item. Wait, that's not how I. Does this actually work? Okay, I didn't think so. If item equals key item, then it'll work. This is just a base, so there's no custom anything. But so selected slot -1, right? Should just be what I need to send over. Now let's. Oh, item interactable is not a scene. I forgot to set it. That's one. There's a collision shape. I should give it a mesh just for reference. Chat has indeed died. How long have I been doing this for? I can't tell. I don't know how to check. Wait. Oh, wow. 80 minutes. Okay. Interacted works. Actually, I don't know if it works. Ignore that. Very bad at being entertaining. Let's see. Key item. The other item. What? Oh. Forgot to give item interactable its own class. That'll do it. What? What? Okay, that was weird. There was an issue with indents and it broke my entire code. Oh, I don't... Am I touching it? I can't tell. Huh? No, I was, I don't know how long ago you sent that, I was not paying attention, but, I said at the end of that video that I was working on a game that I wanted to improve it, because I don't think it's a horrible game, like, I mean, the thumbnail is a little, like, I mean, it is kind of soulless, so it's made to be a cash grab. Actually, I'm checking, I don't know how well this is done. Oh wow, 92%, that's wild. And a decent CTR, that's good. Ah. Let me just put this back on my small tab. On my, using my drawing tablet.
Micah. Where'd you got your
Oh
phone?
yeah. What kind of spin am I going to be putting on the gameplay loop? Well, it's going to be, I guess a lot more. Sorry, I was.
You know Atlas the youngest?
The kind of gameplay focus here is going to be a little more detective-y, I guess, because you're focusing on two different factions, and you have to work on basically balancing between the two factions and trying not to lean on one side too much. I mean, you can. That's how you get each ending, but I'll explain more later as I'm working on it. But that'll be like kind of the main goal. It'll be more horror focused, but it'll also be a little faster paced, just because the original game, the problem is it's like you're physically so incredibly slow that it makes it really boring. I was originally thinking of like doing something movement based, but it just does not work with this style. Also consider doing kind of sit and survive-esque, but that is literally just, that's not my neighbor again, so decided not to do that. What was I working on? I got distracted. It was the item interactable, yeah. Let's check out the item interactable. Yeah, collision shape. It's like, why is it not? Why is it ignoring? I should probably check. Print. Touch. Not interactive. No. Oh. Yeah. My problem is that I forgot that I put all of my stuff on layer 2, all my input stuff. What I like to do is put my basic like world objects on layer 1, interactables on layer 2, enemies if they exist on layer 3, depending on what type of game. Interacted. Okay, yeah, it's working. There's no like visual flourish, but it does indeed work. I need to figure out how to put on a waiting screen, but I'll be back in like... Yeah. There's no choices them, it's annoying. I'll be right back though. Give me a second. I have returned. Gotta get this. Okay, the system's together actually. Wait. I can just. Open GitHub desktop and I believe I can just send this out. Finish build. Wait, no, I need to organize it. Almost forgot. First of all, don't need these two. Resources, okay, yeah. Scene. Item. Assets. Okay, that should be it. This isn't, I mean, it's not going to be super beginner friendly, but may as well put it out there. People are really looking for a character controller. There's no resources, so that's... Okay. Should probably just name this first person base. Item base. Back. No, I don't really need to pack them all together, do I? So I don't really know why I did that. Uh-oh. It doesn't like when you move all the files like that. Let's just make sure it didn't break anything. Oh, did I delete the wrong thing? Yeah, I did. I'll just use this as item icon instead. I forgot where that was in code. Oh wait, it wasn't. It was in the resource, wasn't it? This should be in items as well. Sorting. So fun. Key. Tastes better than bread. as a wise man once said. Let's remove any prints. I believe there's only one here and one inside of here. Well, I guess actually that's important because interacted item interacted. Okay, this should actually be what? Okay. This should all we running, we working, we gamering. I think. Uh-oh. I forgot that the item doesn't disappear when you select new slots. Good thing I tested that. No, it doesn't appear at all. More bugs! Yay! I hate this engine. Yeah, this is a conundrum. Let's just see if oh wait, I just realized it wasn't working because I didn't I didn't have an item held. I am not smart. Nope, never mind. I did have an item held. It just doesn't work. Oh, that's because I'm setting the visibility to false when it should be set to true. Huh. I guess I can make it so you have to deselect first, but I don't like that. Inventory selected slot 1. Wow. Could this work? Let's try that. Does not. This is a conundrum. Maybe if I oh. Chat just disappeared. What if I just make you guys tiny? Put it in the corner. Yeah. I don't know which coin. Nope, I actually can't read it from there. It's a bad call. Can't make it any smaller, but... Yeah, no, that's too intrusive. I'll just keep it on my small screen. My small screen is just hard to see because of its position. Genuinely have no idea how to go about fixing this. Bit of a mess. I mean, gotta be able to figure it out somehow. I just need to be able to get all of the models. Wait. If... I forgot that, the little circle. I thought... Okay. Wait, it's not inventory storage, it's if item point. Okay. And then item. Oh, hey. What's up, dude? Get. Nope, not get child. I just need to do this stuff. I need to reparent it and make it visible. And make it visible. Nope. There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's zero's out of bounds. I see. Why is one also out of bounds? Does... Oh, I don't know. Literally just need to move this and change this to I. Then we're good? Question mark? Oh, my dark's tweaking out. Item loop. Let's see if this is running every time I pick up an item. Yeah, yes it is. I don't... I mean... I guess... if the inventory... No, I mean, if the slot is the same as... No, because this can only happen... Huh. This new slot is not slot reference. Yeah. And then I can go in here and that should work. I don't have any items yet. Oh my gosh. We're free. It's finally working. After, let's see how long. I can't see in OBS for some reason how long this has been going on, but 102 minutes of working. So an hour and a half of working. I have gotten my first actual inventory system. I've never made this before. Let's peek. Testing. I should probably open testing for anybody who... Indeed. Finished build, finally. Finished build for base character controller. I'll have to figure out how to make a public GitHub repo later. But for now, I don't have to touch that anymore. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna end this stream here because I've put it together and I kind of want to take a break. Might do this again at some point, no idea, but hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be doing this later. How do I wait? My control panel here. Okay, so yeah, I just stop here, but I have to make sure it actually like stops here. Hopefully that works. Okay. Bye.